Hello and welcome to pH Chemistry, Practicals and Chemical Tests, the marks you should never drop, but half of students do. This video covers all 8 required practicals plus every food, gas and ion test examiners expect you to know. Warm acid, add insoluble base in excess, filter, evaporate, crystallize slowly for pure crystals. Pipette 25 centimeters cubed, burette red to nearest 0.05. Get concordant titras within 0.10. Mean, then calculate. Cathode, the less reactive metal or the hydrogen. Anode, halide if present, or oxygen from OH-. Half equations. Polystyrene cup, delta E equals mc delta theta. Reactions in solution use the water's specific heat. Sodium thiosulfate plus HCl. Disappearing cross method. Rate equals 1 over time. Keep the total volume constant. Baseline in pencil. Solvent below the baseline. RF equals distance moved by spot over the solvent front. Distillation separates water from dissolved salts. Test purity. Pure water boils at exactly 100 degrees. Flame test for the metal. Sodium hydroxide for cation precipitate color. HCl or barium chloride or silver nitrate for anions. Oxygen relights a glowing splint. Carbon dioxide turns lime water cloudy. Hydrogen goes pop. Lithium crimson, sodium yellow, potassium lilac. Flame emission spectroscopy, a unique line spectrum for every element. It's faster, more sensitive, and can identify mixtures. 10 topics, 10 headlines. If you want the full method, variables, expected results, common errors, and 50 exam-style questions with worked answers on every practical and test, grab the pH Chemistry Required Practicals and Tests Mastery Workbook at phmaths.com. Simple explanations, serious results.